So this is the Redragon Wyvern Pro K689. $65 from Redragon right now. Let's get it open. The problem is that the wing light is always reflecting off the box, but then if I don't put the wing light, then you guys can't see anything, so it's kind of a double-edged sword. Oh, it has like that cool double-sided box that I think E-Meat had. Ooh, look at the little dragon. I like that. We got our first sneak peek at some accessories. Redragon mechanical gaming switches. Looks like it was made in a drywall factory. I'm just kidding. Oh, look at it. Oh, that's so cute. And then we have our luxurious power cord. Seems like it's just about long enough to be usable. We have our keycap switch puller. Surprising enough that all these accessories come with a $65 keyboard. It's actually $51.99 on sale right now, the website's telling me. It's got 104 keys, 4 hotkeys, mechanical keyboard, 3-mode connectivity, upgraded hot-swappable socket, 3-layer noise dampening, gasket structure, custom, linear switch, and software supported. And of course, you get your Redragon stickers as per usual. This is a very wide, very full-sized keyboard. And you got all your little Redragon stickers here. Well, if we go, got a little dongle, pretty basic on the bottom, nothing too fancy. You got your short leg and your long leg. Got a little rubber foot here, and on the bottom of the small one, and here, so it's not going to move anywhere while you're gaming. There's also one in the middle. But the main reason that I like this one is because of the color scheme. I think it's cute. My wife also said the same thing. She loves the color scheme, but it is full-sized. You use it for pretty much anything. So let's get it plugged in. It looks like it's set to Windows and wired mode. There's the modes here. It's also got like a very interesting font. It's kind of split. See, like the 8 and the 9 has like, and the 0 has kind of a split in it. Cute little detail, but I think it's cool. So let's get it plugged in. All right, so there's your RGB. I got it up all the way. Just hit FN, and then this one, or you can turn it down to nothing. Turn it up, and then you have your speed. Make it go fast, or make it go super slow. Pretty cool. Okay, so we're just gonna kind of take a peek at the software here a little bit. We got some macro, some commands, key combinations, basic settings. Okay. We're really just here for the lighting, man. What have we got here? Flash away raindrops. Jesus, that's pretty crazy. Ripples, star twinkle, retro snake, sine wave. Oh, that one's my favorite. And then we have some keyboard light changes with the rhythm of the system sound. That's cool. So that's the basics of the Redragon software. I'll leave the link for that down in the description as usual. All right, so with that being said, yeah, we'll just hop into some games, see how it feels, and yeah, so far feels pretty cool. I like it.
Game starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Team deathmatch.
I'm gone.
Gain the lead.
Let's go.
Double kill. Killing spree. Double kill.
Oh my god, I'm cheating. Shit! Oh, I'm dead. I'm so ass! No! Okay, I need to lock the in. I'm actually like annoyingly bad now. There we go. Come on. Oh shit. Alright. I'll follow this guy. Hey buddy, how you doing? You wanna stack or what? I'm scared. Uh-oh. He died. Anybody over here? Uh-oh.
King Slayer. Double kill. Game over. Victory.
That game sucked. What's up, buddy? Welcome to Redragon. It's your boy, Redragon. It's your boy, best friend of the CEO of Redragon, Noodle Nick.
Lost the lead. Tied the leader.
Peace. Ow!
Remaining. Gain the lead.
Peace. What is he just like doing circles? This guy's crazy.
Killing spree. Double kill.
Get wrecked, nerd. Peace.
King Slayer.
You're bad.
King Slayer.
Ah! Losing my sanity.
Double kill.
Give me one more. Give me the last one. Hey, buddy, come. Oh my god, I'm so much worse than that guy. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh my god, I'm so much worse. Come on.
Game over. Victory.
13 kills. I mean, alright. I guess I'll take it. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it. It's pretty light. It's 0.75 kilograms or 1.65 pounds for my American homies. I like it. It's real cute. It's full size. You can use it for gaming. You can use it for editing. Highly recommend. Nice budget keyboard. Thanks Redragon for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you in the next tech review. Bye-bye. See you later. Make sure to smash like, subscribe. Okay, bye-bye. Tech review playlist? Over tech review playlist? Okay, see ya. Subscribe.